In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo a deleted meeting in Outlook. If you've accidentally deleted a meeting invite or calendar event, don't worry, there are a few reliable ways to bring it back, and I'll walk you through them clearly and calmly so you know exactly what to do. First, check your deleted items folder and simply move the meeting back to your calendar. Open Outlook and switch to the mail view so you can see your folder list. Click Deleted Items. In this list, look for the meeting you remove. Meetings are typically identified by a small calendar icon, which helps you distinguish them from regular emails. Once you find it, you can right-click the item, choose Move, then Other Folder, and select Calendar. If you prefer, you can also drag the item directly onto the calendar folder in the sidebar. Outlook will place the recovered meeting back in its original spot on your calendar so you don't need to recreate anything. If you don't see the meeting in deleted items, try Outlook's recovery feature. Make sure you're connected to the internet, because this option pulls items from the server. Go to Deleted Items and look for the recovery command. In Classic Outlook for Windows, it's called Recover Deleted Items. In the new Outlook or in the web version, you'll see recover items deleted from this folder. Click that, select the meeting, and choose Restore. After restoring, some items may reappear in deleted items first. If you're prompted to move it, send it to the calendar folder to finish the recovery. A quick tip here, sometimes calendar items can show up with an envelope icon like an email. If that happens, sort by subject or the From field to help you spot invites and events more easily. There's also a super quick way to undo a deletion if you act immediately. Right after you delete the meeting, press Ctrl+C to reverse the action. This works in both the Outlook desktop app and the web app, as long as you do it before the page refreshes or your mailbox syncs. It's the fastest option if you catch the mistake right away. That's it. Thanks for watching.